The anecdotal indicators analysis is important to us because it speaks to long-term trends that may impact the future profitability down the road. The challenge in a market feasibility analysis that most people do not understand is that once you get past the 24-month near-term window, when it comes to senior housing, the crystal ball starts to get very dark. And the reason is this: market disruptions in the form of changes in competitive facilities, new competition coming in, pricing changes, changes in inventory are more likely to impact you as time goes on, and this fundamentally changes consumer purchasing behavior. Accordingly, the forecast is limited to the near-term 24-month window where we have the highest confidence as to what the potential outcomes might in fact be in the market. The anecdotal indicators analysis provides us the underlying support to suggest whether the market is in fact expected to grow and expand, and therefore that would anecdotally indicate support for the facility on an ongoing basis, or if it's shrinking or in stasis. In the case of the facility primary marketing area, the anecdotal indicators analysis found, indeed, we're expected to see a dramatic increase in age 75 plus households earning more than $100,000 a year. This is our key prototypical end user demographic. That's very important to us. Household incomes in general are growing above average household incomes compared to the rest of the United States. Very good demographics in terms of overall population and housing unit growth, all things pointing to a continued expansion in this important suburb. The most important part of the anecdotal indicators analysis is consumer household spending, because that tells us how consumers are allocating their resources for housing and related services such as would be provided at the project. There we found underlying support to suggest $4,100, $4,106 to be exact, per month in rental rate income would be the reasonable expected price point, even though the supply analysis found it to be in fact higher. So as a result of this, we found underlying support for the proposed project at this level, and that meant we could move on to the next phase. Thank you.